Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share the Shots of Life kit. And the Shots of Life comes out every other month. So this is the kit for July and August. It coordinates with our flavors of the month. So if you want more pattern paper and embellishments, this is a great add-on to it. Or if you're looking for more traditional scrapbooking or more of these products, you can check out the flavors of the month and the 3 add-ons, and you can get lots more of product from these lines. So this kit's going to get you all the way through summer. It's got fruits and vegetables and flowers and honeybees and some vacation themes, so just a little bit of everything. And even though this kit is geared towards pocket page scrapbookers or like traveler's notebooks, memory keeping, things like that, a smaller scale, the papers have full 12 by 12 patterns on the back, so you can do traditional size scrapbooking. You can also, like I mentioned, do the traveler's notebooks, your calendars, your memory keeping, all kinds of stuff. So let's dig in. I'm going to take you through everything that you're going to get in this month's kit. So the first thing we're going to take a look at is your pattern paper, which is cut aparts and full-size paper. So first off, we have 49th and Market, and this is the Spectrum Gardenia collection. So you're going to get 4 of the 6x8 papers, and these are heavy, can you hear that? Heavy cardstock, full of mixed media, and then the backs are a little bit, you'll see some more solids and things. So this one has all of like the newsprint and the text. So if you love the look of mixed media, of course you can cut those down into pocket page sizes, or if you're doing like a smaller album like the 6x8, you could use it in the full size. And then this one's a lot of fun because there's all of these pieces that you could cut apart. You could also keep it all together and put some little photos in here and stuff. That would be super cute too. But the back is a full solid color, you know, watercolor. But so that collection's a lot of fun. For Pink Fresh, this is Sunshine on My Mind. So you're going to get the cut aparts that have all of these different sizes. I always love them when they mix it up. And you can do a lot of different things. The back is this geometric blueprint. Let's see what this paper's called. This one's Golden Hour. And then from Photoplay Paper Travelogue, we have the 3x4 cut aparts, and then we have a couple of 4x6s. I love the ones like this with all the different states where you could mark it up where you've been. And the back is a globe print. That paper's called Wanderlust. Then we have Simple Stories, The Little Things, Make Lemonade, Love You, Love the Typewriter. We have all of the jam and the strawberries over here, so you could fussy cut that apart or keep it together. These prints like this with the camera, I always love to cut those out for embellishments. And the back is a strawberry print. That one is the 3x4 Elements paper. From Echo Park, Be Happy. We're full of sunshine and honeybees. So be beautiful, cute as can be our guest, life is sweet. And the back is a yellow and white stripe. Then we have Serendipity from Photoplay Paper, and this is again 3x4s, but then we have this 4x6 up here. So I always like to take these also when you have leftovers and make cards. So this would be a great greeting card right here just by itself. This paper is called Follow Your Heart, and we have a polka dot on orange. For Pink Fresh, Lovely Blooms, we have another cut apart that has all of these different odd sizes. So that looks more like a 4x6. That's probably 4x4. That's not really 3x4. 2. So that would be a 2x4, I bet. So that's a lot of fun. And then we got little smaller ones, little squares over here that are probably 2x2s. The back is a grid. And then we have Boho Sunshine from Simple Stories. I just love the colors in this collection. So this is the 3x4 Elements. Again, you can keep this together or fussy cut those out for more embellishments. Love the sunglasses. The back are these happy suns on a light pink background. So let's take a look at all of the pattern paper again. Again, this kit is perfect for all kinds of projects. Now let's take a look at the embellishments. For your embellishments, starting with the Echo Park Be Happy collection, you're going to receive half a pack of the ephemera pieces. So these are all of the die cuts here. So those will vary among your kits, but that's a good sample of what you'll receive. From the Photo Play Paper Serendipity, you're going to get this die cut sheet. So they do sell the dies if you'd like to purchase those and just die cut these out, or you can fussy cut them. I love like the little paint palette, the gumball machine with hearts and cherries. So lots of creative stuff there. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And then from Simple Stories Boho collection, or the Boho Sunshine collection, you're going to get the full 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So again, love the colors, love all the retro little icons. We have a full big border with the diagonal stripes, so it's scalloped, some little labels and banners. This would be super cute on a page. Then from 49th and Market, the Spectrum Gardenia collection, you're going to get this die cut sheet here. So these just pop out. They pop out really, really easy. Gorgeous florals, butterflies, just gorgeous. Those will vary among the kits, but this is the one that I got. You're also going to get some enamel dots from Simple Stories. And then, let's see, you're going to get the Pink Fresh Puffy stickers. So this matches the Sunshine on My Mind. Love those. So again, those will vary. From the Pink Fresh Lovely Blooms collection, you're going to get half a pack of the chipboard stickers and frames. So these will vary, but that's the one I got. Love, love, love those. You can see, you could probably even mix those in with that. Lovely. Then you're also going to get a roll of washi tape from Simple Stories. Again, these will vary. This is the one I got. I got the lemons, so you can see that would, if you get this one, it would go with your honeybee collection. You could put that with any of those. Photo Play Paper. So that is a look at your July-August Shots of Life kit. Again, check out all the other kits available. I'll have links here at the end for some of them. Check us out on the Facebook group and the blog. We have a lot of fun, challenges, prizes, lots of inspiration. So thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kids.